A contractor would not survive with this battery power. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the Ryobi 40 volt chainsaw. I need this chainsaw because I have these logs. I got this log. I got about 10 logs, okay? So long story short, we had about 20 trees in the yard, and I got a company to come and cut all the 20 trees, and I did a whole backyard renovation. As y'all can see, my yard looks good. Before, it was a bunch of trees, and the roots wouldn't let grass grow, period. So I basically didn't have a yard. So long story short, got the trees cut. Now we got a yard, but we saw in the logs we have down on the patio, it looked like it maybe termites or something, and that's a no-no. So I got this saw. I needed a saw anyway, so it was a lot of money, and this is probably maybe one of the last big purchases I'll do for the summertime. So I got my scissors. Oh, by the way, happy 4th of July. Let's see what's in the box. We have 40 volt charge. This is big. This is my first 40 volt Ryobi machine. And all right, this is nice and big, decent size weight. You know, the thing I like most about this is you could carry it. You know, you got a case to carry it, so it might be worth the $300. I don't know. So that's about it, guys. All right, I didn't want to do too much. Ooh. So they got grease in here. Don't know if y'all can see it, but they put grease right in here. All right, so basically you have your safety button. You cannot press the trigger down without pulling down, press the trigger. All right, pull down, press the trigger. Handle, okay, you got a place to put oil. That's the unboxing of the Ryobi 18-inch chainsaw 40 volt. Okay, everyone. So we about to get into the product demonstration now. I don't have no chain oil. I'm gonna go get some chain oil because I don't want to run this dry. Okay, you guys, I am back. I just came from Walmart, and we are going to put this oil that I got there. So I don't know if, you know, I'm not professional in chainsaws, so I don't know if there's different type of oils, but it said chain oil, so that's what we're going to use. Oh, too much. It don't go, so that's like an extra safety. Break back. All right. Now I did put too much oil in there because it is coming out from the side. But we are going to test it out. This thing cuts good. This is a beast. Might have to take another shower, but yeah. So, I mean, I'm doing a product demonstration. So right now, I just did some cuts just to show y'all how it cuts. All right, let me bring y'all in a little bit closer. Now we're gonna cut from one side to the other real quick. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I cut that. Like I said, this is wider. This is bigger than 18 inches, but clean cut. Huh?
When you bounced up, go ahead, bring it off. Yeah. Too deep. We're going in an angle.
Working the battery too hard, probably. All right, you guys, the battery is running hot. This is the second time that the chainsaw stopped on me. So let it cool down a little bit and get back to it. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna give my final review on the Ryobi 40 volt brushless 18-inch chainsaw. I'm gonna make this brief. This is a good saw, okay, for a DIYer, a regular homeowner. If you are a contractor, please overlook this video. Now, the stumps that I cut was well, some of them is a little smaller than 18 inches and some is larger than 18 inches. When I try to cut like the fourth time, so I made one cut, 2, 3, as you can see in the video. The fourth time I cut, it stopped. Okay, when I put the battery on the charger, it had the orange indicator, as in is going. I forgot what the orange indicator means, but it's almost like it's something wrong. Okay, so I left the battery on there, and then the orange indicator went away, and then it became charging again. So I think the battery couldn't handle that much power of the stumps that I'm trying to cut. Now, if you have a regular tree 12 inches, I think you could cut a lot of trees down with this thing. But for what I try to do, a contractor would not survive with this battery power. Great. Moving blankets fell. Okay, so a contractor wouldn't survive with this thing. They will get frustrated and they will return it. Me, I'm debating what I want to do with this. Yeah, I'm kind of debating because I don't think it should have just the battery, the unit should have just stopped like that. Maybe in my situation, I need gas power or gas or an electric saw. So I will have to go back to Home Depot and look for a better saw. This saw is not, don't have the power, but this was good. This, all right, it's like I'm in the mix between good and evil right now. This is a good saw for regular little tree cutting, okay? This is not a good saw for a contractor that's cutting big trees down. Okay, simple as that. So let me know what you think about the review. As hot as I don't know what outside. I had to do this in the garage because I couldn't do it in the backyard. The sun is beaming right now. So yeah, so that's my final thoughts. It's a good saw for a DIYer, but not so good for a contractor. Like, comment, and subscribe.